start draining.
There's not anything obvious like over the top of them?
No, they're clear.
Oh, we haven't had that problem before.
No, we haven't.
Looks like we're gonna be driving the boat to the Marine Center in the rain.
The valve that everything drains down through was not quite all the way open. It was just barely, 3/4 of the way open. And that gave enough of an area for debris to like catch and clog.
Rainy day game time!
It's the day that we're supposed to take our boat to get hauled out. Waiting out the rain a little bit.
We're unplugged from shore power, our engine started. It's not raining anymore, which is super nice. And that black one.
You driving it or am I?
Grabbing what?
The boat. Are you driving the boat?
I can
Or am
drive
I?
it.
10 months of work, dude, and here we go.
I've driven a boat like twice. So this is crazy.
Are you in reverse already?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
Oh, but I need to
Just...
I think that's reverse now.
All right, start turning.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, great. Great. You can start going forward, or at least turn it to forward, neutral and then forward. Throttle it up. Okay.
I'm trying to turn the wheel as much as possible and it's like not really turning.
There goes our davits.
Yep. Sorry.
It's okay. Do you have control of the boat or do we need to bail?
I think I have it now.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay.
we
my
put a
heart
few
is
marks on it.
pounding, but
wow.
at least we've got it.
How do you got it? Are you still steering and getting it?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
steering now.
Remember, the wind's gonna try and blow you over.
Yep.
Whew! I didn't like that.
Holy. I'm gonna bust my own eardrums doing that.
So, okay.
We are going now. Woo! I was saying I feel like a little kid that just like stole the keys to their parents' car and started going.
Yeah. I really didn't do you any favors by throwing you into just driving the boat with as little experience as you have. But
That's okay. We made it without like wrecking our boat or anyone else's. Yeah, high five me.
whew, good job. All right, so you feeling the wind pushing the front of the boat around?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was pretty terrifying.
It was really terrifying. But we survived.
I'm curious.
Thank goodness for fenders.
Dude, we need a high five.
Yeah. Woo. Dude, my heart was going so fast.
We're going
It's really
very slow for the level of throttle that we're at. We're going really slow.
Oh, I can't believe we're doing this. I can, but I can't. I mean, that prop might just be barely hanging on too.
Yeah. Two things that are not great are happening. One, we do have an exhaust leak. Small. That's where all the smoke is coming from. The other problem is that is smoking. Woo!
Woo is right.
First time taking the boat out. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna slow.
So start throttling it down.
Oh, that was
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
maybe too much.
Yeah, you're doing good. You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Should I push it forward a little bit more?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my heart is
Dude.
like still pounding. We just got back. That was really intense, but it was awesome.
So I feel like I threw her into a little bit too much there, or like asked a little too much, but she handled it well and we stayed cool. Just an incredible job, Savannah. I'm proud of you. Proud of us. That's amazing.
Big oyster right there. It's a pretty good sized one. Alright, so there's coils of wax cord in here that act as a seal, and someone warned me that the last one would be hard to get out and old and to just leave it in there, but I thought there'd be like 2 or 3 of them, so I pulled it out and there's one. So then I went to get the next ones out and realized that that was the last one that was hard to get out. So at that point I'd already damaged it enough to not leave it in there, so I've been pulling it out like one fiber at a time, and I think, yes, I'm finally getting all of the last chunk out. Hopefully I didn't mess up the threads too bad. Cool.
That looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember exactly what I was doing. We are nearly ready to paint this bad boy. We've got primer that's sitting. You've got to mix the two things and then let it sit for 20 minutes before you roll it on, so we're waiting for that. We're going to do 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint. I'm doing it! The stuff is weird.
It's super weird. I feel like I'm painting in silly putty. But it's expensive, so you know it's gonna be on there forever. Okay, the ultimate party foul in here is going to be tripping over the paint bin.
Yeah.
So none of that allowed, for sure. Yeah, right about now I'm kind of wishing I had like watched a tutorial on applying this stuff. I got a drip on my skin. I think I'm going to die. I really felt confident I wasn't going to drip on myself this time. A fool's confidence. I think all of the employees at Blackburn, I just don't know what I'm doing around boats, which is what has made this such a interesting and exhausting adventure. And all of those people have given me tons of information without like judging me or making me feel dumb for not knowing anything at all. I mean, they've just been extremely nice and extremely helpful and informative. And I'm really grateful for that. All right, great job, doing great. I'm just gonna channel my inner Zen master and freehand a perfect circle twice. We are the dream team, Savannah. You are my dream team.
Does one of us need to like go up and move the rudder again?
You should be able to grab it with your hand. Move it. What?
I can. Almost there, almost there.
Yeah, you're doing great.
You're doing great. Maybe he thought that we wanted to do it ourselves because we're like really good at it. When really, you're not good at it. In fact, we're terrible at it. Well, I won't go that far.
Okay, whoa.
We're not terrible at it. Wow, we've nearly completed it.
Yep.
Our first coat is almost all the way done. How exciting is that? Are you guys excited? They're excited. I know you are. Wow, that was a lot of work. Ooh, there's tortilla chips.
If it's too pity, then Mr. T will show up out of nowhere and kick our butts. It's easier for a camel to get through the eye of a needle than for anyone to get this material into a pinhole. I believe that's what Jesus said. No, leave it in the shade. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Land ho! I'm glad it was a hammer problem. We got 10 pounds worth of experience for the price of none. I mean, we didn't. Wow. Wow. I obviously, as any intelligent person would do, touched it to see if it was hot since it was smoking, and it was very hot.
Ooh, that was a mistake. I shouldn't have done that.
Okay, bye.
Thanks everyone so much for supporting us this far. I mean, it's been a long 10 months. We've got a lot of really cool people following us and encouraging us, and yeah, I think it's great.
Yeah, all your positive comments and encouragement are really, really nice. So keep those coming. Thank you all for watching.